Oh my god, no. I braided a knot into my hair. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite homegirl, Ayana Mertina, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? Today I'm going to be installing some butterfly locks that I got from Amazon, and here's what you're going to need. I have this free tress water wave braid. It is 22 inches. I have the locks from Amazon, like I said, and then I also have the shine jam, and I have the crochet hook. And now I'm just braiding down my hair, and we're gonna get directly into the install process. Okay, I'm fully braided up. I did not braid all the way to the ends because I don't need to. Tried to make sure I didn't do it too tight. It's currently 11:30 p.m. so I'm not putting the locks in tonight. I'm about to put it in a bun and my bonnet on and then finish it tomorrow. So most of the way through, as you can see, I have this one here and then these three in this section. I'm gonna show y'all how I'm doing this. This is really a learning process for me. But yeah, so first thing I do, I take the lock, I put it on the crochet hook, boom, right? Then I take a piece of the water wave hair. This honestly is not the best kind of hair for this, but this is what I have, so whatever. For the darker pieces, I am cutting it in half and using half of it, but for whatever reason, the colored piece, it feels thinner, like it's less hair or something, so I just leave it whole, but I just fold it in half. Kind of fluff it up a little bit, you know, separate it, make it a little fluffier. Boom. Okay. Then take some of your shine jam and I put it along this part because clearly I don't have any other product on my hair. I do want to add some kind of moisture, and yeah. Take the crochet hook, it is open, and you just hook it around this part of the braid, close it, slide it up, boom. Now it's on there, right? Okay, sorry, my memory card got full, so now I'm on my phone, but it should still be decent quality. So yeah, I have the lock attached to my hair. Take the crochet hook, and we're gonna go through the base, and I'm looking over here in my mirror. You go through the base. It doesn't, to me, it doesn't matter where you go. Then you take just your hair, hook it on there, and then feed it through, and you end up with this loop that the lock is sitting in. What I've been doing to kind of sort of get them to fall like around the same length, I have been pulling the loop until like the colored part of my hair is like at the base. And then I take it and I just wrap my extra hair around, and I'm not really doing this in any kind of like specific way because you're not gonna see my hair anyway. Alright, boom. Then grab your hair, right? And you can put however much like on this side, because you know you want to have like a short side and a long side. Put however much you want on the short side. I'm just taking a little bit because I only have a little bit to wrap. And like I said, I'm doing the whole strand. So take it, put it right at the root, and then I just wrap it around like normal. I do twice at the base, and then I kind of start to like fan it out and wrap downwards to cover up my hair. And I'm purposely leaving this part like that to, like, you know, match the butterfly lock look of it just being messy. And then I'm just gonna continue wrapping down until I run out of wrapping hair. And when I get to the end, I just kind of wrap it in place. I'm down to like one strand right now, but I kind of wrap it and smooth it, and boom, we got a lock. And I don't think, oh, you can see some of my hair. That was not a good one. Yeah, I'll do it again so you can watch. Been a long time coming, man. Freaking long time coming. Hi, it's been like a smooth 2 weeks because I don't know. Also, ignore my shirt. This is one of my dad's like really old army shirts, and I just wear it because it's comfy. And I was getting ready to edit this video, and I was like, I never ended the video, so here I am ending the video. So yeah, it's been like 2 weeks. I really do like it. I never gave y'all like a full view of everything. Let me take this down and let y'all see how it's looking. I'm gonna show you the back of it. I like how it hangs. It's a good length. So the hair is really good. It holds up nice. It doesn't hold smells. It smells like it did when I first took it out the pack. Like, I don't really be anywhere, but like, yeah, I like it. Let me know in the comments below if you also like it. And by the way, I don't know if I mentioned this before, but I did not use the entire pack of the purple hair, and yes, it's still sitting here 2 weeks later because I only used one pack of the darker, like the darker colored hair. I only used one pack of that. I used the entire pack of purple Locs. That was 12, so I have 12 purple Locs. And I opened 3 packs of the darker Locs, but I still have a couple sitting here that are unused. So I could have added more to make it more full, but I think this is actually a pretty good amount of hair. This is like honestly top tier, really great as far as a protective style goes, because my hair for the most part is like totally covered, and I don't care that my roots are like kind of getting frizzy, because that adds to the messiness of the style. And I knew it would happen because I did not put any jam on my roots before I braided my hair. I just braided it naked pretty much and I put jam on the ends so I could wrap my hair around itself. But yeah, I really like how it came out. I'm proud of myself, even though I hated it like the first like 4 days. That was only because I twisted my roots too tight, so that was like totally my fault. But I love this style on me. If you are not subscribed to my channel already and you're into hair videos, food videos, or random chit chat videos, go ahead and subscribe and hit that button down below and hit the bell right beside it so you can get notified of my new uploads. And then if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below of anything you guys want to see me do next or try next. I am open to suggestions, but I also have a lot of things up my sleeve myself. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Have a great day or a great night, whatever it is, make it great, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.